If you run an agency that produces content for clients, you know how valuable a solid AI writing tool can be. Two of the most popular options today are Copy.ai and Writesonic. Both promise to speed up content creation, but they approach it differently, and the right choice depends on how your team works. Let's start with Copy.ai. This tool is known for its clean, intuitive interface and a wide range of templates. You can quickly generate social media posts, ad copy, product descriptions, and short blog snippets. It is straightforward to use, which makes it great for teams that need fast output without a steep learning curve. Copy.ai supports multiple languages and different brand voices, so you can maintain consistency across clients. The main limitation comes when you try to generate longer or highly nuanced content. Sometimes the output needs extra refinement to make it publish-ready. On the plus side, pricing is flexible for smaller teams, and since it focuses on short-form content, it can save you hours each week. Writesonic, on the other hand, is a bit more feature-rich and versatile. It excels at longer-form content like blogs, landing pages, and SEO-driven articles. Writesonic includes grammar checking, plagiarism detection, and integrations with tools that agencies already use for content planning and optimization. It gives more control over style and tone, which is valuable when clients expect polished, in-depth content. The trade-off is a slightly steeper learning curve and higher costs for heavy usage. You will spend more time crafting prompts and fine-tuning results, but the payoff is better structured, ready-to-publish content. Here are a few tips. Try both tools with the same content brief and compare the outputs. Look at how much editing each requires, how easy it is for your team to adapt, and which integrates best with your existing workflow. Cost is also important. Copy.ai is great for smaller teams or budgets, while Writesonic offers more value for agencies that need depth and versatility. In the end, both tools are strong, but the right one depends on your priorities. Choose Copy.ai for speed, simplicity, and short-form efficiency. Choose Writesonic for depth, control, and multi-format flexibility. Either way, using an AI content writer will save time, improve productivity, and help your agency scale smarter.